In this video, we will learn how to reverse the characters in a string. I'm going to use string builder's reverse method. First, I will define a string variable, our text, and add some character to it, A, B, C, D, E, F. And then I'm going to call and save into our variable, and I will name it rev for reverse string, and then create an object of string builder, and I will pass our text that we want to reverse the character of this string to be reversed, and then I'm going to call the method reverse. And just convert it to string so we can save our result into a string and print this string to our console. Reverse string is, and this will be our rev, and just execute the program. And on console you can see our character of this string is reversed for us. So this way you can reverse characters in a string using Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.